Welcome back to day 6 of camp cooking. Today we're making cherry pies in our pie irons. Pie irons are super easy to use and you can make so many delicious recipes in them. And yes, there's going to be more pie iron recipes in this camp cooking segment, so do not worry, we'll get to more fun stuff. We'll start off easy, of course. You'll need cherry pie filling, marshmallows, and some Pillsbury dough, and that's all it takes. And you just put it on the stove here and cook it away, and they come out ooey gooey and delicious. I hope you make this and enjoy it, or save this for when you go camping this summer.